Alright, y'all, I just got this LED headlight kit from Cree Industries, I guess. And it's, it's a LED headlight system. That's pretty much an HID type of LED kit. And this is it right here. It's your ballast and your wiring and your light bulb right there. It's an LED right there. That's all it is. That's it right there, pretty much. It comes with this this piece that it's more like a, I guess these create a lot of heat, so this is like a fan type of deal. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a little fan in there. That's all that is. And it's controlled by this little thing. It's got two of them right there. We're gonna hook them up into my Suzuki Reno. Let's see how that improves the lighting. Alright, so this is the lighting that I have right now. That doesn't look that bad. But let's see what the other ones are going to look like. Those LED ones. Alright, so that's pretty much what I can see from inside of the car with the old lights. Let's see what the new lights are going to look like. Alright, well, I just installed one headlight, and just to kind of compare it with the other one, and here we go. This is pretty much the outcome right here of that one light compared to the other one. That's one, that's the other. And I mean, as you can see, dude, this is crazy, man. I don't know if I should turn the lights off, but over there you can see that it's white as hell. This is yellow, that is white, yellow, white. And it doesn't really take much. All it is just this ballast here, the light bulb and the ballast here. And all I'm gonna do is just kind of tape this up somewhere with the, or actually not tape it, but get some nylon straps or something. And this little thing right here, it's like a transformer or something. But yeah, that's all I gotta do. You know, these bolts holes are right there, but I'm not gonna do any. I'm not gonna bolt or anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and get some nylon straps, strap it to the side somewhere around there, and call it good. I might even just do it to the wiring, or even to this right here, to this battery anchor deal, and call it good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right off the bat. I mean, you can tell the difference right here with this finished product. White. White light. That's what it is right there. Take a little drive with it. Just to park it, I guess. We'll see how this looks outside. I know, cause I mean, inside we got all kinds of lighting and everything. So let's try it out outside and see how that looks as far as the brightness. Supposedly it's 36,000 lumens. I mean, That's pretty bright if you ask me. Look at that, dude. Shit. That is pretty bright. I don't care who you are. These are my brights, just in case you didn't know. Those are the brights. That's the brights, that's the lows. But look how white them damn lows are. Holy shit. Let's go take a little cruise. I think I gotta do a little bit of aiming on these damn lights right here, because they're a little bit low. Let's try it out. Try them out for a day or two. I'd say they're pretty bright. Now let's check them out. I'm gonna go back over here where I took that first shot. Oh, that's pretty bright.